Hi, Tony here from Autoshop Solutions. Are your customers finding you online? Pay-per-click marketing promotes your business through digital ads targeted to your local area, ensuring you show up first in search results such as auto repair near me. There are many ways to run paid advertisements online, including paid search for search engines or display ads for Facebook. Learn how to get a new marketing program off the ground or how to enhance your existing campaign with our Autoshop Solutions free on-demand webinar in partnership and produced by Shop Owner. We also cover the following topics: why PPC advertising has a higher return on investment than any other tool, understanding conversion rates, keyword spends, and click-through rates, PPC quality score tips and ranking tips, the do's and don'ts for PPC. Don't have time to watch the webinar? Contact us today to learn more on how to accelerate your business using proven paid search strategies.